Theta value equivalent to 16.1601 rands a coin. The present cost range, 16.0439, 17.6299. The earlier day close, 16.9182. The change was 0.7581. 4.48%. Converse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost 17.39 rands, high 18.61, low 16.17. Theta gauge on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 15.95 rands, high 17.07, low 14.83. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 15.14 rands, high 16.20, low 14.08. Theta gauge on Thursday, walk 16, cost 15.26 rands, high 16.33, low 14.19. Theta cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost 15.75 rands, high 16.85, low 14.65. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, walk 20, cost 15.23 rands, high 16.30, low 14.16. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 14.73 rands, high 15.76, low 13.70. Theta gauge on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 13.25 rands, high 14.18, low 12.32. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost 12.91 rands, high 13.81, low 12.01. Theta figure on Friday, walk 24, cost 13.68 rands, high 14.64, low 12.72. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost 13.24 rands, high 14.17, low 12.31. Theta figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 12.69 rands, high 13.58, low 11.80. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 12.76 rands, high 13.65, low 11.87. Theta figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost 13.29 rands, high 14.22, low 12.36. Theta cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost 12.99 rands, high 13.90, low 12.08. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, April 3, cost 13.16 rands, high 14.08, low 12.24. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 12.76 rands, high 13.65, low 11.87. Theta figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 12.37 rands, high 13.24, low 11.50. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 13.12 rands, high 14.04, low 12.20. Theta figure on Friday, April 7, cost 13.08 rands, high 14.00, low 12.16. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 12.94 rands, high 13.85, low 12.03. Theta figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost 13.91 rands, high 14.88, low 12.94. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for walk 2023. Initially cost at 20.63 rands, excessive cost 22.36. While low cost 11.80, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.95. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 12.99. Change for spring 37.0%. Theta figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 12.99 rands, excessive cost 16.05. While low cost 10.15, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.53. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.91. Change for April 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 10.91 rands, excessive cost 13.46. While low cost 10.91, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.97. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 12.58. Change for May 15.3%. Theta gauge for June 2023. In the first place cost at 12.58 rands, exorbitant cost 15.61. while low cost 12.58. The found the middle value of cost 13.84. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.59. Change for June 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 14.59 rands, exorbitant cost 14.59, while low cost 11.40. The found the middle value of cost 13.21. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.26. Change for July 16.0%. Theta gauge for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 12.26 rands, exorbitant cost 12.26, while low cost 9.58. The found the middle value of cost 11.10. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.30. Change for August 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 10.30 rands, exorbitant cost 12.08, while low cost 10.30. The found the middle value of cost 10.99. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.29. Change for September 9.6%. Theta gauge for October 2023. To start with, cost at 11.29 rands, exorbitant cost 11.89. While low cost 10.33. The found the middle value of cost 11.16. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.11. Change for October 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. To start with, cost at 11.11 rands, exorbitant cost 11.11. While low cost 9.22. The found the middle value of cost 10.34. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 9.91. Change for November 10.8%. Theta gauge for December 2023. To start with, cost at 9.91 rands, exorbitant cost 12.09, while low cost 9.91. The found the middle value of cost 10.80. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.30. Change for December 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at 11.30 rands, exorbitant cost 11.30. While low cost 9.78. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.73. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.52. Change for January 6.9%. Theta figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 10.52 rands, excessive cost 10.52, while low cost 8.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.53. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 8.84. Change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 8.84 rands, excessive cost 8.84, while low cost 6.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.01. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 7.43. Change for spring 16.0%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0619 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0567 0.0623. The earlier days nearby.